Alright, today we're doing something a little different. We're going to be shooting my airsoft M4. It's right here. Alright, I don't need the rounds. Mid-cap, loaded with tracer units. It's had to load stay time so you won't see anything. So, Alright, so we got the Lancer Tactical LT15 here. It's modded, of course, so it doesn't have that suppressor on it. It has a holographic, can't really see the dot that well. Slanted 45 offset iron sights. It has a mid-cap mod because I didn't like the high kappa. Black foregrip, tracer unit, 2 barrel extensions, and laser and flashlight. Alright, let's shoot this thing. Hold on. I don't know if you can see the BBs, but they're bouncing. Probably right there. It's pretty cool though. And when you're done, pretty sick. Alright, give me a minute. And we're done. Overall, a pretty good gun. It's one of my personal favorites and is my primary. So, yeah. Alright, let's get this thing out of here. Alright, bye.